Hello people, I am Jean Lawrence Sarmiento and this is my final project on Harvard's Computer Science 50P, Introduction to Computer Science with Python. And this is my project named ID Creator for businesses and employees. As the name itself implies, it will create an ID for you. It can help businesses and employees to create an ID easily and readily with a template. It is available on two formats, PNG and PDF. Before you use this program, please take note that this program only creates a business ID and also it does not generate your signature, so the ID will need your signature. The project also has a test if you want to test the program. So now this is the demo of the project. To run the project, you need to run python project.py. So there it would prompt you to type the format, so I will put image there. So it asks another question, what is the name of your file? It means that what is the name of your ID file or what is the name of your template file. So I will put ID there. So these are your credentials, so I will put it now. So now it is done and we have filled the information. As you can see, it says that finished creating your ID. Please check your folder for the ID image. So let us check the folder if the ID. So as you can see, we have now the ID back. It is the back of your ID and the ID front, and it is the front of your ID. So as you can see now, it matches with your credentials, and it means also I am done and done filling up the information. So that is all for the final project. Thank you very much for all those who helped me, and also to our very great teacher, Doctor, and our professor David J. Millan. So that is all. Thank you.